channel. Okay, in this class we are going to discuss about globe model of the earth part 2. In the part 1 we discussed about the oceans, the discovery of globe. In this class we are going to discuss about continents. Okay, continents. There are 7 continents in the world, as I said it. Okay, first of all, welcome to Lakshmi Sairam Study and Activities channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It's very helpful for studies. Okay. Coming to the topic, Globe the Model of the Earth Part 2. In this class, we are going to discuss about Globe the Model of the Earth Part 2. The topic is continents. Okay, there are 7 continents in the world. There are 7 continents. These 7 continents are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. I will tell in the order wise. First of all, look out Asia. First of all, it is a very important and the oldest continent Asia. Asia, it identified in the earlier time. The area of Asia is 44.58 million km square, kilometer square. 44.58 million kilometer square. It is a very largest continent in the world. The area is largest and population is about 446.27 crores. See how much population, what is the area. Basically, for this mathematical calculation, we can identify it is largest. Coming to it is a very important continent also for being so important countries, because India, for the 446 crore population, about 150 crores will be there in our India. And also China, it is a large country in the world. Coming to Russia, Russia is not a fully country based on the Asia. It is half part in the Asia and also half part in the Europe. So we can consider only half part in the Russia to the Asia continent. Coming to, there are so many important countries like China. First of all, our India, Pakistan, Kazakhstan. More about Asia, because it is the area will be so is a part is very big. It is a very big part in the Russia, because Russia is the biggest country according to depending on to area. And also Iran, Pakistan, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, like that. That Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Oman will be considered as a great Gulf countries in the Asia, in the world also, basing on to the trading purpose or trading with oil, like the fuel substances. We consider the Gulf countries, a group of Gulf countries based on Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Oman. Coming to here, the Japan, Indonesia. Indonesia is a very important country. Indonesia, Myanmar, Thailand, like that. So many countries were so important. Like that, every country will be important in the according to Asia. So coming to the second continent, Africa. Asia is the largest and the second largest is Africa. Africa 30.37 million km square, almost 30.37 million kilometers square. Area will be and also population 12. So population also a very large population. We're seeing the screen above almost. There are so many important countries based on, but coming to Africa continent, it's not a well-developed continent. So because of it will be in very many years at the rule of colonial ruling countries. In the control of British, France, like European countries are well settled in the African continent, so it is not a well developed. It came independence in a earlier. It not came independence in not earlier time. So it took so many years to gain independence for the continent. So it will not a well developed country. But there are some countries which we can identify in Africa, the South Africa. So it will a well developed country that we can say, and Zimbabwe, Zambia, Angola, and coming to Congo, it is not well developed. Congo, it is not well developed. Coming to the southern countries which are being in the Africa continent will be well developed. And also Egypt, it is a tourist country, a popular country that we can know in our world. Nigeria, Niger, Libya, Algeria, Mali. Like that, so many countries, Ethiopia, Madagascar, like that, so many countries were important in this Africa. It will easy to identify the names in the Africa because we will see the clearly. We will see clearly in the Africa continent. So many countries is there. Population also a very large population area. We'll identify definitely the area because it is the largest area based after the country continent of Asia. Coming to third continent, North America. Sorry, Europe. Sorry, Europe. So Europe is some small continent based on area, but based on population, it was very large. Means 74.14. Okay, coming to the Europe continent, we will see as very small countries, so the area will be not large. So, with half of the area will be in the Russia. As I said in the Asia continent, it will be half, and coming to Europe continent, it will half the Russia. So, half part of the this Europe continent will be in the area will be in the Russia country. So we will find very important countries here because it is also called as English continent because so many English people was lived in this continent. Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, and also Romania, Norway, and Norway, Sweden. So many educational institutions, colleges were so many find in this continent. In Poland, Britain will definitely Britain because it is one of the most powerful continents in the world. And so many countries were important. Every country is important based on. Coming to the next continent, we can find North America. North America is a very powerful continent because so many important countries, so many powerful countries, being in the one of the legendary countries in the world, United States of America. United States of America, USA, America. It's a very legendary and powerful kingdom at the ancient time and also country now in the modern time. It will the country will be part of an area of 24.71 million km square. Also population of 57 crores. Mainly we can say about United States because it was a very powerful continent. Coming to Canada, it is also very powerful continent. Also important continents we can find Greenland. It will also make a continent, but a very great discussions will happen in making Greenland a continent, but it will also part of a North America continent. So coming to the next continent of South America. South America is a very small and acute continent. Based on population was not and also area. It was an average population and area. We can see the numbers the below. Based on the countries, we will find a very important countries of Brazil. So Brazil is the leading country in this continent. Brazil is the leading country in this continent. And also Argentina, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Uruguay, Paraguay, Argentina, Chile. It is a more tourism continent, we can say. The Brazil, we can find it's the Redeemer, is the one of the seven wonders in the world. Paraguay, Peru, Chile, Argentina, I mean Venezuela falls. It is the longest falls in the world. So many tourism places is there. Tourists can visit millions in every year. Coming to the next continent, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. We can see Australia has a population of 7.692 millions. Based on India only, we have 150 million population, but we can see in Australia the area is less and also population is less, coming to just 7 million. While looking at Australia continent, we can see like a country because South Australia, Northern Territory, so many is like Queensland, New South Victoria, Western Australia. It will a part of an Oceania. Oceania we can call the countries continents or countries which can be near to the ocean or being a part in the ocean, we can call as some countries as Oceania part. Also, New Zealand, one of the great countries in the world, can be part in the Oceania. Next, on the last continent, Antarctica. Antarctica, you will see the population in Antarctica is 1,000 to 5,000 depending on season. Antarctica is a fully ice continent. We can see everywhere ice because it is in the South Pole. And also looking at map, so you can see yes, just some part of Antarctica will present in the map. But you can take a globe and you can see by bending upon it, you can see the whole Antarctica, and the population area is larger than the Australia. Coming to say, area is very large, but the population is just upon 1,000 to 5,000 depending on season. Depending on season, it is just between 1,000 and 5,000. You must understand one thing. By depending on area, it will be one largest countries, and not depending on population also. Depending on population, the order will change. Antarctica will come last, and also Europe will come last to second, and also Australia will come last to third. Okay, this is about the 7 continents information. I think the information is understandable for you. This is about Antarctica. Area we can see it is very larger than Australia. Coming to the last information, largest and smallest. So while we discussed upon all the important parts of the globe, oceans and continents, by being all its, we can find the largest and the smallest of both of them. In oceans, so I given here the oceans upon smallest to largest. The order will be there in from smallest to largest. The Arctic, Southern, Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific. By this, Arctic is the smallest one, and Southern means Antarctic. Okay, Indian, Antarctic, and Pacific. Pacific is the largest, and Arctic is the smallest. And the second largest is Atlantic, third is Indian, fourth is Southern, and the last is Arctic. Being to the second smallest, Southern, third smallest, Indian, fourth smallest, Atlantic, and the last one is Pacific. Coming to the continents, I given upon largest to smallest. Asia is the largest, Africa is the second largest, North America is the third largest, South America is the fourth largest, Antarctica is the fifth largest, and Europe, Australia, 6, 7. Smallest upon in ascending order. Australia is the smallest. Europe is the second smallest. Antarctica is the third smallest. South America, North America, Africa, Asia. So all the information I given detailedly in these 2 parts of the globe, the model of that upon in the oceans, upon in the continents I given detailedly. If you have any doubts in this information or any detailing information, please keep in the comment section. I will definitely answer. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, press like button and press the bell icon to get all my notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye and bye.